Hello everyone, welcome to Web Magnet Hub. In today's session, we will discuss about what is macro and how to use macros with the help of Chat GPT. Okay, so uh, what is macro? Let's begin this topic. Okay, so if you have the task in Microsoft Excel that you do many times, so you can record a macro to automate those tasks. Okay, and you can perform a macro action as many times as you want. Okay, so a macro can be used for if you want to format any data, and if you want to generate any report, if you want to perform any calculations. Okay, so it can save you time, it can reduce your error. Okay, so here I have an example of, like, I have products name in cell A and their price in 2023 in cell B, and this is a data of sheet 1, and this is the data of sheet 2. Okay, this is product name in cell A, and this is their price in cell B. Okay, so you can see that price in 2023 is is lesser than price in 2024. The laptop price in 2024 is 60,000, smartphone price in 2024 is 40,000. Okay, while the laptop price in 2023 is 50,000 and smartphone price is 25,000. Okay, so we want to perform here that what the price is increased. Okay, what the price is increased in 2024 in percentage. We want to calculate here in percentage. Okay, the percentage increase in price in 2024. Okay, so for this, let's open Chat GPT. Okay, and write the prompt here. Create a macro. Create a macro code which compares the data in and sheet 1 and sheet 2, and give the increase in price in percentage. Okay, give a macro code which compares the data in sheet 1 and sheet 2 and give the increase in price in percentage. Okay, sorry. So here we got the data. Okay, to create a macro in VBA means Visual Basics for application that compares the data in sheet 1 and sheet 2 and calculate the increase in price in percentage. Okay, so here is the code, and this code assumes that the data to be compared in is in column A and B of both sheet 1 and 2. You may need to adjust the difference. Okay, to add this. Okay. So you have to copy this code and open the Excel, go to the developer section, go to VBA, Microsoft Visual Basics for application, click here VBA project, double click here, go to insert option, click on module and paste the code here, whatever is generated from that Chat GPT. Okay, and don't forget to save this workbook. Okay, I already saved it, so once again save it. Okay, just minimize it. And one thing remember, guys, before performing VBA, okay, just save this workbook, okay, then perform VBA. Otherwise, it will cause error. Okay, okay. Now click on View, click on Macros, View Macros, and compare and calculate increase. Okay, click on this, run. So increase in sales for laptop is 20%. Okay, increase in sales for smartphone 60%. Okay, increase in sales for headphones 650%. Okay, increase in sales for camera is 50%. Okay, increase in sales for smartwatch is for 50%. Okay, increase in sales for tablet minus 71.43%. Okay, sales for wireless mouse 275%. Okay, increase in sales for portable speaker is 60%. Increase in sales for fitness tracker is 100%. Increase in sales for external hard drive is 185.71%. Okay, these are our the percentage increase in sales. Okay, that's all, guys. I hope you like this session and keep learning and keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Web Magnet up. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.